Hi, my name is Susanne. Agile makes you react faster to change. We develop, we learn, and we move forward. Therefore, are sprints the key to your success. And if you thought that this video is about running, I need to disappoint you. It's about the development cycles. And I, as a product owner at Leap, would like to give you my 3 favorite tips. 1. It's about the outcome, not about the output. No matter how big your project is, if you're launching a brand new app or just a website relaunch, it's about setting the clear product goal. Together with the team, you can discuss this so everyone knows where to work towards. It's not about the number of tickets you're gonna plan in a sprint. As I said, it's about the value being gained once the sprint is finished. Tip number 2, stay focused. We understand it's tempting to add additional tickets to a sprint once it's being started. However, adding tickets to a sprint will reduce productivity and focus. Therefore, we suggest to only add tickets to a sprint once it's being discussed with the development team and they can decide whether it's being possible to add it to a sprint or not. We work with short sprints and that's the advantage. So if you have questions on how to reach your goal, we can change our process by every single sprint. And tip number 3, collaborate. It might be stating the obvious, but collaboration is very important. With collaboration, we can align on the product goal, we can align on how to achieve it, and we can also talk about the priorities. That will help us to develop the right thing at the right time. I hope these tips are helpful for you. If you have any questions regarding agile development, don't hesitate to reach out to us.